Hi guys, welcome to today's session of our script grid. We're always talking about AI, and today we have an amazing update for you. And today's session we will be discussing about debunking of AI myths. What are the things that you've heard about AI? How true are they, and um, how are these myths like shaping your AI career and your journey in this current world? Would like to get straight into the video, and we are partners. Hey,
The nanas, that you.
then understand.
Yeah, the nanas.
Yeah, so I'm Hopkins and he's
Nana, yeah.
Nana Pokusu as well. So we are the big nanas,
Yeah,
the
that's right.
big guys.
The big nanas.
Yeah,
Okay, that
yeah,
one
yeah,
make
the big nanas.
yeah, the big
Yeah,
nanas.
that's
That one
why
make
it makes sense. So, bro, when we talk about AI, what comes into your mind?
So, artificial intelligence
Mm,
being in the sense that, like, an artificial brain
okay.
doing things that men, like the human brain, is supposed to do,
Yeah.
but maybe much faster, much simpler, and efficient. Yeah.
Yeah. So I agree with what he said, and yeah, it's basically I feel like AI is basically an enhanced human, sorry, an enhanced developed system where people where the machines are able to learn data, and they are able to process these data that they've learned to actually bring out efficient data to aid our human lives. So, guys, today, what are some of the myths that you've heard pertaining to AI? What are some of the myths you've heard?
I've heard that AI will take our jobs.
Mm,
Yeah, that's true.
Charlie, how true is that? Do you believe that?
To some points I do, to some points I don't.
Really?
Yeah.
Why don't you believe it?
Because it depends on the job you are talking about.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, for example, what job do you think is safe?
What job for now?
Yeah, for now.
I'll give it to the engineers. The
The
engineers.
engineers,
Yeah, the
like in
engineers.
particular, are you talking about like the construction workers or
No,
the electrical engineers or
I'll give it to the tech engineers, like the real in-depth people writing the
writing
codes
the codes and
to
stuff?
bring about the AI.
Okay.
Yes, I'll give it
So
to them.
so so you think in terms of coding,
Mhm.
AI hasn't done enough?
It has done some, but then it hasn't really gotten that far.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, to be honest, I agree with what you are saying because a lot of people use the vibe coding to actually build apps. That is using prompt engineering and actually like apps like the Lovable, and they use Keza and Windsurf and all those stuff. They are all vibe coding tools that people use to create apps and websites and all those stuff. But then because you need to prompt it very well to actually get a feedback, I think if you don't have an enhanced prompt engineering skills, your feedback is going to be very, very bad, and you wouldn't really get what you want. So
True.
it's all about learning how to prompt and stuff. So I feel like AI, I mean, you just need to cope and adapt. Yeah,
That's all we can do.
yeah, because I also heard that AI uses it has actually taken people's it has made people lazy. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it
Mm-hmm.
has made people lazy
I can
because
agree.
things that people would actually rack their brains and I mean sit down to think about and be more innovative and become very natural about it, and they are just lured, or how do you call it? Is it lured? They are they
They
are
are looking for
they are
simple
looking for
ways.
simpler ways, so
Yeah.
they just go to ChatGPT and put the prompt there. I want this, I want this, I want that, and then it uses trained data, machine learning data to actually produce what. So it's more of like you are getting a robotic.
But then I don't blame them.
Mm,
I myself, I'm big on AI. That's
yeah,
facts.
that's
So
great.
I feel like once we can get the work done simpler, why spend more time. They say time is money.
Yeah.
So if you can get the work done in
The
the shorter time,
yeah, why
why
don't
waste
you
your time
waste your
to,
time?
yeah, so
Because Charlie, time is money.
thank you.
Because to be honest, AI has also like really helped us a lot. Because in terms of people that are into content writing,
Mhm.
yo, you will sit down for hours to think about content
Designing,
designing.
bro.
Even the writers, they
Yeah.
are able to sit down and rack their brains like, yo, what should I do, how do I put in this, what's like things to
So
make.
having saw one, a guy was, so he had like a PDF of
Yeah.
his slides, his
Mm,
notes,
yeah.
and then he had like some few days to the examination.
Yeah.
So he placed the slides in an AI system,
Yeah.
and then this AI system summarized everything to the core and
Mm.
gave it to the guy to go and write the paper. Just simple, like
Yeah, Charlie. Yo,
just
I believe, even though people are saying AI has caused more harm in terms of taking people's job, the the time that it has saved a lot of people in terms of getting job done at a very faster rate has been very, very like wonderful and amazing.
yeah,
Because you can take hours to be let's just be frank, let's say AI wasn't there. I mean, people would still be in a normal world where it takes them like 1 month to even get your your flyer done.
Charlie,
Yo, you could imagine the
Charlie,
people that used to ask people to do flyers for them.
yeah.
But now we have AI. You can just tell ChatGPT, give me a flyer with a prompt and all that, then it just unique for you guys. I mean, Charlie, AI has done well.
Yeah,
Me,
yeah,
they am an AI enthusiast, so there is
yeah,
no
yeah,
way.
AI is leading the way for
Yeah,
us.
there is no way I would say that AI hasn't, been like of help to us. And guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Bro, do you have anything to say? Any last words?
I think we should leverage upon it while it's there.
Yeah.
Yeah, the thing is there to stay. So if you
Why
think
don't you move with
if you
it?
think you are AI,
Yeah.
you'll be there.
You
You'll
be
be
there.
there.
You
You'll
be
be
there
there. We'll
lacking.
be moving.
Because
Yeah.
the world
So
is moving.
just move.
So
Just move with it.
adapt and
Adapt
move.
with it,
That is a
please.
little advice we'll give to you. You
Yeah.
know that, guys. Thank you so much for being with us, and we believe that you've, learned and heard a lot of, I mean, mind blowing stuff, and now you've adapted to the AI
Yeah.
mentality. Yeah,
Yeah.
so right now you are moving with us because we are also moving with you, and see you in our next section,
More link up.
and have a great time.
Thank you.